West winds 5 to 10 knots. Waves 1 foot or less. Showers with thunderstorms likely early, then scattered showers.
National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a flash flood warning for northern Mercer County, southern Somerset County, central Middlesex County until 5:15 p.m. At 1:09 p.m., local law enforcement officials reported flash flooding from thunderstorms over central Middlesex, northern Mercer and southern Somerset counties. Locations in the warning include but are not limited to Princeton Junction, the Brunswicks, Aldbridge, and Saraville. The storms are producing up to 2 inches of rainfall per hour. Driving into flood waters could cost you your life, or at the very least, thousands of dollars of vehicle damage. Nearly half of all flash flood fatalities are auto-related. Turn around, don't drown. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 5:15 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey, Middlesex, and Somerset.
Coastal waters forecast from Sandy Hook, New Jersey to 5